Hey fam, welcome to Moreland Media. Quick question. Are we really about to hand Tinubu a second term on a silver platter because of ego? Obi standing tall, Amaechi digging in. 2027 is coming fast, and APC is ready. The opposition. Not so much. Let's unpack it. Subscribe, hit that bell, let's talk sense. Since March, Peter Obi, Rotimi Amaechi, and Atiku have been meeting behind closed doors, whispering about a mega opposition alliance to unseat Tinubu in 2027. Great idea on paper. But street talk says Obi is acting like the anointed one. Word is he's not interested in any real primary. Meanwhile, Amaechi's people are like, who made you king? This right here is how alliances die. The moment ambition overshadows strategy, votes scatter, and Tinubu. He'll just stroll back to us so rock-like, thanks for the gift, boys. Why a primary isn't optional. In 2023, Obi got 6.1 million votes, Atiku 6.9, Tinubu won with 8.8. The opposition split gave him that victory. Now in 2027, Tinubu has the APC ticket locked. If Obi and Atiku run separately again, all he needs is about 35 and he wins, again. The solution. 1. Televised primary. Let Nigerians see who's got the plan, not just the fans. 2. Unity pact. Everyone signs a binding agreement. Win or lose, we fight together. 3. Joint resources. Pool money, merge structures, unify the ground game. No primary? No unity? Then it's bye-bye fuel subsidy. Hello for more years of hardship, and we'll be here again, tweeting into the void. Rotimi Amaechi governs Rivers State in 2007 to 2015. Built roads, bridges, flyovers, Rivers State became a construction zone. Invested heavily in public schools, primary healthcare and mass transit. Kept external debt under $50 million, while states like Lagos crossed $1 billion. Chaired the Governors Forum, he had clout. Peter Obi governed Anambra State in 2006 to 2014. Slashed government spending, traveled light, left over $75 billion in cash and assets. Paid salaries without drama, improved education outcomes. But critics say Obi infrastructure game was weak, roads, power, job creation was average. Bottom line, Obi saved money, Amaechi spent on concrete, different visions, but neither is a savior, and acting like one of them must lead is dangerous. Voters, not fans, the ego trap. Young voters love Obi's clean image, others respect Amaechi's record of getting things done, but online, it's war. Obi supporters says Amaechi is part of the problem. Amaechi supporters says Obi is overhyped, timid, and has no structure. Enough. Most Nigerians aren't looking for saints. We're looking for leaders who can fix this power mess, fight inflation, and stop the insecurity. If the opposition looks confused, the average voter will say, make Tinubu just continue, a beg. Obi must drop the I alone can fix it vibe. Amaechi must drop the hardman swagger. The enemy is poverty, not each other. The winning formula, one-term northern candidate. Now here's the hard truth. If this coalition really wants to win, they must think like statesmen and not like an average ambitious politician. That means stepping back and considering something radical but smart. A one-term northern consensus candidate. Why? It addresses northern fears of southern dominance. It breaks the Muslim fatigue. It gives Obi, Amaechi, and others time to build, unify, and take the mantle in 2031. It proves they're putting Nigeria above self. This isn't about who has the loudest fans, it's about who's wise enough to delay gratification for real change. So, who should step aside, Obi, Amaechi, or both? Would you support a one-term northern candidate if it meant ending APC's reign? Tell me in the comments, like, share this, subscribe. And always remember, Nigeria won't fix itself. We must think deeper, act wiser, and demand better. Stay woke, stay human. We must not give up for the sake of our children. A prosperous and inclusive Nigeria is possible.